This situation is very, very serious. It's a trouble. Yeah, I can say that we are in trouble. Yeah, it's a dangerous situation because the people are dying because of this flood.
The water consumes the land, homes, belongings, and lives. This is 15 miles from the coast, but has become an inland sea. Today, as the rain cleared, we were able to fly over one part of the flooded interior. Over people waiting for food, water, and medical aid. Some sought refuge in the stands of a stadium. Here, crowded onto a bridge. It leads to a cathedral, one of many buildings battered by the cyclone. Others have camped on roofs. Hundreds have already been rescued from here, but many more are still in desperate need. This single white tent represents the international aid community. 100 more are needed and expected. So many people have taken refuge here. So much water has fallen, continues to fall here since the cyclone struck. We don't know yet how many people died down there, but it's known that tens of thousands have lost their homes, and the race is on now to get people to safety, to get food and medical supplies to where they're needed.